Hey, New Flow Plumbing. My name is Lee Turbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I can read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, the most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. First thing I want to go over is content. Now, you guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized with Google. You guys have about, we're on your site right here, I'd say maybe 100 words, if that, which is greatly affecting you because throughout that 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition, that's where you fit your major keywords in, which you rank for. So, and it all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere, or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. So, all this right here is content. Anything that's getting highlighted is all content. Even what's being saved behind your pictures, which I also notice you don't really have much of either. So that could affect you guys. So I did a quick search for plumber in Van Nuys, California, and found that the top guy in the organic section down here, which is your website, is Ninja Plumber. Let's look at his content. So he does have a little bit more content than you, but not much. He's got maybe 150 to 200 words. So with 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, you'll easily be beating him in that aspect of Google. So now let's go back. Now I want to break down Google for you. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is all ads. It's paid for, pay-per-click, can get very costly. If you're new and just starting out, this is good for you to get some quick leads. But if you've been in the game long enough and you're ranking in this section and in this section down here, then you don't need to do any of that. So that's just a money pit. So the second section is the GMB. It's the Google My Business. Now you guys are first in this Plumber Van Nuys, California search. So I did a quick search just to see how many citations you guys had. New Flow Plumbing, you have 46 citations. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in directories such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. And citations is what dictates your ranking in this, along with your reviews and your pictures, basically how well your GMB is built out. So as of right now, you are in first place for that, so that's a good thing. I would suggest adding more citations because that also gets your name, address, and phone number in more directories so when people are looking for you, they can find you. Now this third section is one of the most important sections. It's the organic section. Now this has to deal with your website directly. So I did a search, Plumber Van Nuys, California, and you are not in the top section here. Ninja Plumber is. He is number 1. Let's see if we can find you. We got Mike Diamond Services second, Rotorooter.com third, Leading Ledge Plumber. So you guys aren't on the first page for that, which is hurting you guys big time because that's a big keyword. So let's go. What I did to find out why is I have used this tool called Ahrefs. This will tell me all your stats for your website. So I put you guys in here, newflowplumbing.com, and it's showing me your UR and your DR. Now this is the strength of your link profile, and this is the strength of your target website backlink profile. So this is your overall and this is your backlink profile. Now a backlink is any other page or website that links back to you. So these aren't created equal either. You want sites that are relevant to plumbing giving you backlinks. If a pizza website like Pizza Hut gave you a backlink, it's not going to be powerful because they have nothing to do with each other. So you want to get authoritative links pointing back to your site, which I have access to a pool of them, which are very powerful and can make you climb the rankings within months. So you have 1.06K backlinks coming from 224 websites, giving you 1,000 backlinks. You're ranking for 3.3 thousand keywords, and you're getting 5.3 thousand traffic. So I went over to your competitor, which is the guy who's in first place, and that's the Ninja Plumber. He has a UR and a DR of 30 and 24. Now this is why he's ranking high, because this is the 1-to-1 ratio, they call it. You want to have your UR and your DR as close as possible. That's the golden rule. Now he's a 30-24. You guys are a 30 and 13. That's due to your backlinks. Even though you have a lot more backlinks than him, his are more powerful than you, which is what I was talking about. He only has 88 coming from, or 450 backlinks coming from 88 referring domains, which is other websites. And that's giving him strong DR rating, which is ranking him high. Google dictates your ranking off of your backlink profile. That's basically votes from other websites stating, yes, Ninja Plumber is a good plumbing website. I give him my vote to be at the top, basically. So he's ranking for that. He's got a 564 keywords, and he's getting 616 traffic monthly. Now, I wanted to kind of dig into his keywords too, just to show you how much search volume that these keywords are getting and what you're missing out on by not putting these on your home page, and also in your service pages. I was looking through them as well. They also don't really have a lot of keywords per your service area. But as you can see, they're getting most of their traffic from drain cleaning, plumber. That has a 1,400 search volume monthly with a 28 KD. Now, KD is your keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for that. So picture this. If this is a 28, that would probably be about 5, 6, or 7 websites all having this in, battling out, trying to get the searches for that. Now, if this was 0 being the easiest to rank for, that means no other websites have this keyword. So it'd be easy to rank your website for it if it was in your content. So 28, this goes from 0 to 100, 100 being the hardest. So a 5, that's what we're looking for. 300 searches, Plumber Van Nuys, 305. You could rank for that very easily. Encino Plumber, 250 searches a month and 0. That means no one has this. That's why he's in the top position for this. He's in number 1. So, and we know his stats. If you were to add backlinks and start some SEO to your website, maybe some content adjustments, and redone that, you could easily be above him and take over his spot, pulling in all these searches monthly for that Encino Plumber. Let's see what else he has. 24-hour Plumber, Los Angeles, 400 searches, and it's a 12. He's in the 6th position. He's not in number 1. Plumber Van Nuys, 40 and 6. Plumber Calabasas, 100 and 0. 100 people are typing in Plumber Calabasas each month, and no one has that. No one really has this keyword, so it's easy to rank for it. So, once again, content is key. But anyways, let's go over what I just spoke about. The first thing was content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword-rich content with those keywords we've spoken throughout it, nice and written properly so people can understand, so it looks organic. The second was citations, which you are in the top spot for that, but that doesn't mean these people can't come up and beat you, or that you're not number 1 in a different keyword search. I would be adding citations monthly for you guys, and powerful citations, because they're not created equal either. But we could go in and check and see which ones they have and go submit for their business as well. Because like I said, for you guys, which is what I could do for them as well, all you do is click on their business, and it shows me the exact citations that they have and if they're submittable or not. So we could submit and get them for your business. So that was citations. And the third thing I wanted to go over was the link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. If you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee Terbianic, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing back from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.